Hi, I'm Lisa Ryan, Chief Appreciation Strategist at Grategy, right here in beautiful Cleveland, Ohio. I'm so excited to invite you to join me on September 10th at the Women in Manufacturing Summit in Denver. I'll be presenting Sweat the Small Stuff, reaching greater heights in gratitude in business and in life. In this fun, engaging session, you're going to walk out with strategies that will help you to better show gratitude. SHOW is an acronym for how gratitude impacts the self or your perspective, the health benefits that come along with it, how it can transform your relationship with others is the O, and finally, wealth, or how all of this works in the workplace. So the session is from 8:45 to 9:45 a.m., a great way to kick off your day. I'm Lisa Ryan, and I'll see you in Denver.